Congratulations! You're about to enjoy your new VIZIO 4K HDR Smart TV. This video walks you through the unboxing process for the P-Series TVs. Before we begin, we recommend having a friend help you through these steps. Let's get started. First, with the box upright, use scissors or a box cutter to cut the straps around the box. Next, lift the outer box and place it to the side. Leave the TV in the box tray with the outer foam on. Locate and remove the Quick Start Guide. Then remove the TV feet and the accessories box you'll find in the foam packaging. Your TV comes with 2 TV feet, 4 screws, a power cable, a full-featured IR remote with batteries, and a Quick Start Guide. Next, there will be a center strap that holds the top foam in place. Remove the top foam. The TV will be sitting upright in the box tray. You'll see the TV is in a protective bag. Use the handles on the bag to lift the TV out of the box tray. Please do this with 2 people. Remove the TV from the bag. Be sure to keep the screen protector on while removing the TV from the bag. Now gently lay the TV on a clean, padded surface. It's a good idea to measure your furniture prior to assembly to make sure it will accommodate the span between the TV's feet. Use the provided screws to attach the feet to your TV. When the feet are secure, have someone help you lift the TV up into position. Hold the TV by the frame as you lift and be sure not to pinch the screen. Now, remove the screen protector. With your TV in place, connect the power cable. Put the included batteries in the remote and use the remote to turn the TV on. Now, all you need to do is follow the on-screen instructions to set up your TV. Then you can connect to the internet and begin watching your favorite movies, shows, and videos. Click the link in the description below to watch a short video on how to stream to your P-Series.